Angie's List Services Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people struggle to find reliable home service professionals, but the surprising truth is that Angie can simplify the process when used correctly. Angie, formerly known as Angie's List, is an online platform that connects homeowners with service providers like plumbers, electricians, cleaners, landscapers, and contractors. You can request quotes, compare professionals, read reviews, and book services directly through the platform. This saves time and reduces guesswork, but most people get this wrong. They assume Angie personally vets every provider. While many professionals are verified, you should still read reviews carefully and ask follow-up questions before booking. Another thing to watch is pricing. Some service providers may charge more when booked through Angie due to platform fees. Always compare quotes before confirming. Angie is best for homeowners who want fast access to local service professionals and value convenience. The surprising truth is that Angie gives you access, but smart decisions still depend on you. Subscribe for more honest service platform reviews that protect your home and your budget.